A federal judge in Texas is considering a case that could force a major abortion pill around for more than 20 years to go off the market. That hearing happening today, and no matter the outcome, the case likely will land at the Supreme Court.
Today's hearing aims to take the drug mifepristone off the market, at least temporarily, while the larger case at hand proceeds. The case seeks to overturn the Food and Drug Administration's approval of mifepristone and one other abortion pill. The government has increased availability of these abortion pills in recent months, allowing them to be delivered by mail after a telehealth visit with a doctor, and opening the door for pharmacies to be able to sell the drugs. Pro-life groups argue the pills should never have been approved. And with that, we're joined by Abby Johnson, CEO of And Then There Were None. Abby, welcome. Good to have you with us this evening. So early reporting suggests a Trump-appointed judge might be open to the claim that the abortion pill was not properly vetted. How hopeful are you that this preliminary injunction will be granted and this pill will be shelved at least temporarily?
Well, I mean, honestly, I'm not sure that it's a victory either way. Abortion facilities will just simply switch and they'll start using the misoprostol only based abortion pill method, which means that women will forego taking the mifeprex or the mifepristone pill before completing the medication abortion. So this is the way that medication abortions have been done all around the world without the mifeprex. Mifeprex is not used in Canada. It's not used in Mexico. It's not used in many European countries. So medication abortion will still continue even if this injunction is upheld, even if mifepristone is pulled off the market. Unfortunately, what will happen is abortion facilities will use this misoprostol and they will begin to use it in an even more dangerous way for women. So I'm not sure that it's a win if the injunction is upheld and mifeprex is pulled off the market. I mean, the win is if medication abortion is banned. That's the win. But right now,
Abby,
that's not really what's being debated.
Abby, prior to the hearing, attention shifted to Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk with questions about judge shopping and why he tried to delay information about today's hearing, at least publicly. Abby, if the ban is imposed, do the arguments that you just mentioned hurt the overall case that the pro-life side is making?
Well, one of the things is I'm not sure a lot of pro-lifers really understand the implications of this. So they think that by pulling off mifeprex, that means that, it's somehow a win or medication abortion is going to be off the market. But that's just not the case. And so, pro-lifers need to understand what this means for the abortion industry. They need to understand what this means for pharmacies, what this means for women who are going to be taking these pills. It does not mean that medication abortion is going to be off the shelf. It does not mean that medication abortion options are going to be off the table.
Right.
Yeah, just a few seconds, Abby, but the government argues a ban will upset the FDA's ability to do its job and, negatively affect women. What do you say to that?
Well, what I can say is that by pulling mifeprex off the table, what does happen is that it also pulls the ability for women to reverse their abortion by using the abortion pill reversal. So I'm not sure that this is the intention that pro-lifers are really wanting.
All right, Abby Johnson with And Then There Were None. Abby, thank you so much for coming on tonight.
Of course, thank you.